Hey scholars, it's Ms. Van Buren. I'm here to review a skill that is very similar to the area model of division, but called partial quotients. So with partial quotients, quotients means division, so we're still working with division. We are going to go through the same process with the brain dump and thinking about how many groups we can pull out of our total, but this time it looks a little bit different. So I'm going to start with 892 divided by 14. I'm going to start with a brain dump of what I know about the number 14. So 14 times 1 is 14. 14 times 10 is 140. I don't need to do 14 times 1,000 or 100 because that would get me 1,400 and that's bigger than our total. So now let's do 14 times, let's do 14 times 4. Okay, I'm going to come over here and do 14 times 4. 6, 1, 4 times 4. That gets me 56. So 14 times 40 equals 560. Let's do 14 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Ooh, 14 times 6 equals 84. That means 14 times 60 is going to get me 840, which is very close to this. So I'm going to stack my 60 up here. I'm going to take out 60 groups of 14. Okay, that gets me 840. When I subtract, I get 52. So in my brain dump, I know that 14 times 1 is 14. That's way too small. I'd have to take out a lot of 14s. But 14 times 4 is 56. That's really close to 52, but it's too big. So let's try 14 times 3. 14 times 3, put my stacked 3 up here, is 42. So when I subtract, I get 10. Now, I know my remainder is 10 because it's smaller than 14. Now to figure out my total answer, I'm going to add up the groups I took out, 60 and 3, which gets me 63, and my remainder is 10. So with partial quotients, it's very similar to the area model of division, but instead of going sideways, we just stack our groups and we subtract down. I hope this helps you with your Thursday and Friday work and was a quick review. Remember, if partial quotients or area model is challenging, you can select a strategy that is easier for you, but you always want to stretch your thinking and try. I hope you guys have a great day and a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.